Good morning everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So lo and behold, the play worked out. Big down, big up, and then what was the next part of the pattern? Big down. I think the one thing that you need to bear in mind is look at how bigger these bars are getting every day. And this is still a sign of confusion. There is no real reason as to why we're falling and rising like that. This is just pure confusion. And what's happening is we need to wait for structure, and this could be structure over here at 13,469. The question is, are we going to see a green day today? That would be logical sense, because that's what's been transpiring over the last week or so. So that's kind of the first thing on my mind, is to see some kind of a pullback onto structure. And let's just wait for the charts. So we had a pretty strong move up this week, and then we've had a fairly strong move down. We still do have a couple of gaps below. Remember what I said, I've been saying all week, is whenever you see little gaps like that in an upward trend, the chances of you coming back to test and close those gaps is always fairly high. So, and that's exactly what's transpired on the US markets, and we could be getting a trend reversal here on the DAX as well. So we're going to have to wait and see what these moving averages do on the 3 hour. If we do start crossing over and start pointing down, that's definitely trend reversal territory. But for now, trend is still up, and especially on the daily it is up. So we should be looking for opportunities to buy into this. Right now, I don't see much. What I do see is complete confusion. So big down, big up, big down. Potential double bottom brewing. Look at my oscillators here as well. There is structure to the left, and there are that gap's closed. That gap could be open. Let me just check. Nope, that gap is closed. I don't see anything else here. There's nothing really. There we go. Always a reason why it's coming down. Just check if that's closed. No, that one's still wide open. Okay, so there you go. There is a magnet to the downside of 12,986. So 1300 area is pretty much a fairly strong magnet at the moment. So, you know, two things at play here. So the first thing is I'd want to see some kind of a pullback onto structure and reject a breakout. So this is probably the area that I'd be looking at right now. That is 13,600. So 13,600, that is kind of the area that if we can sort of bounce into this area and start rejecting it, there's a good opportunity for short here. Stop above the swing high, and then you're looking to take out these levels. So I think 13,469 more than likely taken out, 13,322, and then all the way down to 1300. That's kind of the view that I've got at the moment. I just want to come back to the 3 hour here just to double check, because this level has broken. It needs to be tested for me. So 13,598 or 13,600. We need to come back and test that, and that is going to give you a pretty big head and shoulders. There's your shoulder, there's your head, there's your shoulder. So let me just do this for you. Do this. So that is our move. And a break and retest of that area sort of gives us all those levels, and then brings us pretty much fairly close to that gap that is open at the downside. Remember, that's not a level. That's not a level. We need to look beyond that. So there is a level there. You can see all these swing lows, and then you can see there's another decent level there, which is probably right on the measured move. Okay, so I would ignore that gap. Basically come down to 13,041, 13,050 area. That's the move that we're looking for. Okay, so that's it for me today. I hope that helps you somewhat. So what we're looking for on the 15-minute is a bit of a pullback onto structure, rejection of structure, short it is, and we're waiting to see if we can get this head and shoulders target to the downside on the DAX. That's it for me. Hope it helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.